Hi, today's Canva Quick Tip is how to create curved text. I have here what's going to be my YouTube thumbnail. And what I'm going to do is take a picture of something that's round. So I've chosen the earth. And I'm going to add it to a little smaller. And now I'm going to center that. And now I'll start to add some text. I'm going to add a heading. Actually, I want this above. And I'm going to name this, because I'm going to use this as my YouTube thumbnail, I'm going to just add in Canva Quick Tips. And I'm going to make that 64 because that's the size I have. And I have been using this as pink. And spread that out so it's on one line and move it back to center. Now all I have to do is go to Effects. And as you can see, there's a variety of effects you can do, but we're going to look at curve. And that's all I have to do to make curved text. Bring it closer to my photo, and you can see here the size of the curve, which is 83. Now I can make the curve less if I want and pull this out. You can see by changing this, it actually stretches the curve out. Or I can bring it in closer, and 75 looks quite nice. I'm now going to add on the bottom some more text, so go back to text, and then go add a heading, how to add text in Canva. And again, I'm probably just going to change this to 36. And this is where I'll have to play with it a little to get it to work, because I'm using two different sizes. And again, go to Effects, to Curve. And because you can see it's actually gone in reverse, I want to obviously have this the other way up. So I now need to put this into reverse. I'm going to do minus. And you can see by dragging it all the way over here, it's smaller. This is a smaller font. It doesn't need to be quite as small as that. So I'm going to, this is going to be a bit of a play. And I'm going to move this down. I'm now going to move all these together and create them as a group. And then I can actually move them up as one. And that's all there is to it. So that's how to add curved text in Canva. Hope that helps.